मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
यस सर।
जी। अच्छा।
प्रणाम सर।
ठीक है, प्रणय। ओके। येनाक्षर समाम्नायम अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। So we are looking at Abhyasa number 27 today. But before that, there is something that we need to again revisit just for the sake of uh, getting a better idea of the concept. The concept is regarding the Shatri Pratyaya. So, what is Shatri Pratyaya? Basically, whenever we talk about a past continuous or a present continuous tense, there are multiple ways in which we can look at it. One is the English language approach. What is the English language approach? The English language approach is very interesting. The English language approach is that we have something like uh, Rama walks is Rama patati. Okay. The other is Rama is walking. This is the present continuous. So here what is happening? Rama is walking is becoming the present continuous. Or Rama was walking when I visited his home. Something like this. Yada aham रामस्य अथवा तस्य गृहे अप्राविशम् और प्रविष्टवान् तदा रामः कार्यं रामः चलन आसीत, because chalat would be the dhatu and chalat would be the pratipadika. But see what has happened now. We have looked at the previous patha yesterday and we saw that a pratipadika, so dhatu becomes a pratipadika which now has its own shabda rupa in the three lingas. But that is not how it works in the English language, right? Rama is walking is not is walking, or walking is not a qualifier, or is not a pronoun, is not a noun, none of those things, right? So that's one major difference. So here a pratipadika is getting uh, developed, and from which we get some uh, Shabda Rupas, and the Pratipadika will take the Linga Vibhakti Vachana of the Visheshya, right? तो कैसा राम है? What kind of Rama is this? चलता हुआ, चलन रामः अस्ति, अस्ति chalan ramah. In Sanskrit we have this free order of words. You can order it any way and it will still continue to be a valid sentence. So that is why I said those two prayogas. So for example, let me just take this uh, thing. हम दोनों जल पी रहे हैं. अहम आवाम, आवाम जलम पिबन्तौ. What is the dhatu that we can use? Divakar ji.
सर पिब धातु।
हाँ, पिब के लिए we have now created a pratipadika which is pibat. How
पिबत,
did we
यस।
create it? In the previous patha, we have seen that, say
यस।
suppose we look at the lat lakara bahuvachanam, pratham purush bahuvachanam, that is pibanti. अंतिम ई को हटाना है और न को हटाना है, तो दैट बिकम्स पीबन. or
Yes.
pibat. That's why not piban, it becomes pibat. Pibat then can get three shabda rupas based on the
Hmm.
linga. So that is one thing. So it can work like nadivat, it can work like jagatvat, which is for
Hmm.
napumsakalinga, nadivat is for uh,
Hmm.
strilinga, and
Still.
bhagavatvat. So like for like Bhagavan, or like, so that way.
Hmm.
Or rather, I should say vat. So you have to look at it. So that way. So gacchantau, gacchantah. I should not say Bhagavat, because Bhagavan it becomes not Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantah. So there is
Hmm.
a mismatch over there. So no, it's closer to Gacchat. Gacchan, Gacchantau, Gacchantah. Like that. Now the point is, we have this Shatri Pratyaya. So Pibantau, who are the पीने वाला people, और पी रहे हैं हम दोनों, आवाम जलम पिबंतौ. What is the dhatu for रहे हैं? What can we use? और हैं, for हैं what can we use?
रहे हैं.
रहे हैं तो ठीक है, पी रहे is coming from, it can be taken care of by पी रहे can be taken care of by the Shatri Pratyaya. But it could be
Yes.
पी रहे थे और पी रहे हैं. So, so then what would it become? Which dhatu?
अस्ति. अस्मिन्.
As dhatu.
As dhatu, but I'm forgetting the what form.
Swaha. Swaha. Asmi
Swa.
swaha smaha. So swaha would be the dhatu. In the same way we can do for others also. So I just wanted to uh, bring your notice to this thing. Now, one more practice that we can do is this one. काम करते हुए बालक को लड्डू दो. So what would it become? करता हुआ. What is करता हुआ? What is the धातु for करना?
Krit.
कृ धातु, right? So it
Krit
becomes
dhatu.
uh, not कृत, कृ धातु. So कृ धातु becomes कुरु. सो करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति. नाउ कुर्वन्ति से न हटाना है, एंड ई विल आल्सो गो, दैट बिकम कुर्वत. कुर्वत
Kuru.
बिकम्स कुर्वन. सो एंड देन इट्स द्वितीय विभक्ति एक वचन में कुरुवंतम. सो कार्यम कुरुवंतम बालकम मोदकम यच्छ. So that could be one, or maybe this is not a very correct thing to say. We should have said kuruvate balakaya modakam yacha. Why did I make it kuruvate balakaya modam yacha instead of kurvantam balakam?
कि काम करते हुए.
हाँ, सो काम करते हुए कार्यम
जी.
कुरुवंतम बालकम modakam yacha. That could be one possibility. I said that that is not correct.
Okay.
Maybe it would should rather it must be kuruvate balakaya uh, modakam yacha. So why the second one is correct?
I think I'm not able to.
हाँ, तो जिसको देते हैं उसमें क्या
Hmm.
लगती है? चतुर्थी, दान करते
Chaturthi.
हैं चतुर्थी, राइट? तो
Yes,
कुरुवते
yes, yes.
गच्छते गच्छद्भ्याम गच्छद्भ्यः, एंड
Right.
बालकाय बालकाभ्याम बालकेभ्यः. सो दैट वे. ओके. So you can just work this out on your own, some of these details. So we have done this, and then what is there? Sandhi we have seen. Now the next abhyasa. So can you read from ka to, I mean, all of these actually, from naman to shwaha, all of these.
Okay. नामन अर्थात नाम, प्रेमन अर्थात प्रेम, व्योमन अर्थात आकाश, स्वर्णकारः अर्थात सुनार, लौहकारः अर्थात लोहार, चर्मकारः अर्थात चमार, कुंभकारः अर्थात कुम्हार, रजकः अर्थात धोबी, नापितः अर्थात नाई, व्याधः अर्थात बहेलिया, शुरः क्षुरः अर्थात उस्तरा, ऋतु अर्थात ऋतु, प्र प्लस क्षल अर्थात प्रक्षाली अर्थात धोना, प्रेर और प्रेरी अर्थात प्रेरणा देना, तड़ या ताड़ी अर्थात पीटना, धारी अर्थात रखना या पहनना, स्थापी अर्थात रखना, कृत अर्थात काटना, यह अर्थात बीता हुआ कल, स्व अर्थात आगामी कल।
Okay. So, what are the ka shabdas? Are they sangya, sarvanam?
संज्ञा।
Okay. What are the shabdas hyaha, shwaha?
दीज आर अव्यय।
Okay. What is avyaya?
अव्यय is something which remains same irrespective of the vachan, ling or uh, tense, काल।
Hmm. No. What is avyaya? So, what happens in avyaya? So, is it avyaya is that which does not have vyaya, which does not change. In Gita, this word comes, okay? And for Bhagavan, it
Okay.
will come. Avyaya. And in fact, it comes for Atma also. So, why it will come? Because आत्मा के स्वरूप में परिवर्तन नहीं होता, according to Vedanta. अगर
हम्म।
किसी चीज में परिवर्तन होता है तो वो विनाशशील है, अकॉर्डिंग टू फिलोसफी। इन द सेम वे,
Okay.
आई मीन आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट शब्द में ऐसे या पद में पद विनाशशील है, ऐसा कुछ आई एम नॉट सेइंग इन व्याकरण। इन व्याकरण वी
हम्म।
अस्यूम द शब्द इज नित्या, बट दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट। द पॉइंट इज दिस दैट vyaya means to change. What changes? Pratipadika changes, right?
हम्म।
Pratipadika will change. So
हम्म।
ling, vibhakti, vachana, everything can change. At least we have seen this for the Shatri Pratyayanta Shabdas.
हम्म।
हाँ. Hmm. And then uh, what about Yaha Shwaha? Or let us not even think of Yaha Shwaha. Let us think about this particular concept of the words like Yada Tada. You have seen these words Yada. What was Yada?
जब।
Jab. Tada is tab. But we haven't
यस।
seen something like Yada Yade Yadaha like that, right? We haven't seen this.
हम्म।
Tada Tade Tadaha.
हम्म।
Tadaya. Tadayaha.
हम्म।
No, none of those things. So we are
हम्म।
pretty sure that Tada or Yada or any of those shabdas, very
हम्म।
interestingly, and also quite we are quite lucky that way, they do not have any Shabdarupas. That is, they do not
हम्म।
undergo any change. उनमें कोई व्यय
राइट।
अर्थात परिवर्तन नहीं होता है. So that is why these are avyayas. Okay. And let me ask you a few more questions now. And these questions uh, are important for your uh, uh, I'm just trying to engage you a little bit more in these things. So,
Hmm.
have you seen this word before in Hindi?
Taktali.
This one, yes, this one. Prakshali. Have you seen this before in
Uh,
Hindi?
I mean, nothing that I can recall of.
So we have seen this when we say prakshalan karna, dhona. In Hindi, you
Yeah.
must have seen. You are from Uttarakhand, right? You would have used these Shuddha Hindi words or at least seen. Prakshalan,
Yes, yes,
prakshalan you have seen. Dhona. Okay.
yes, yes,
And
yes.
then there is one more word that is uh, this is prerayati, prerayatah, prerayanti. It will work like that. Prayer to
Hmm.
do. So this is dhatu for giving inspiration. This is fine. This have you seen somewhere? Sthapit.
स्थापि हाँ I mean स्थापित करना और स्थापना.
Yes. There is one more such dhatu. That is krit. Krit. कृत कैंची कैंची जो होती है उसको हम लोग संस्कृत में बोलते हैं करतनी क्यों
कर्तरी.
करतनी करतनी काटने वाली
Yes.
so that way so kartani so krith is katana so what is happening you are basically cutting an instrument by which you cut paper cloth whatever so
Hmm.
hiyaha and shwaha is are another two words that have come what is how can we use hiyaha so we can say ह्यः दिवाकरः विद्यालयम् अगच्छत्
Hmm.
कल दिवाकर
विद्यालय
विद्यालय
आया था.
गया एंड
विद्यालय गया.
श्वः इज आगामी कल या आने वाले कल सो
Yes.
कल दिवाकर तो श्वः दिवाकरः विद्यालयं गमिष्यति गमिष्यति जाएगा ओके नाउ
Hmm.
वन मोर थिंग some of these words are part of the Laukika Samskrita. You may have heard this, and I may have talked about this very briefly. You can also, given you are a student of history, you should, and your supervisor must be appreciating this idea of the difference between the Laukika and Vaikika Samskrita.
Vedic. Yes, yes.
So we have what is that Laukika Samskrita? Laukika Samskrita words are this Ritu and some other words like Hyaha, Shoha. These are part of Laukika Vyavahara also. Some
Hmm.
words uh, were very much a part of the Vedic literature. जो हम कहते हैं ना वेद के चार अंग हैं इसको ध्यान में रखिएगा तो वेद के
जी.
चार क्या अंग हैं मंत्र ब्राह्मण आरण्यक और उपनिषद
उपनिषद.
हाँ तो चार अंग है मंत्र ब्राह्मण आरण्यक और उपनिषद मंत्र
Hmm.
भाग है कर्मकांड परक ब्राह्मण
Yes.
ग्रंथों में आचार विधि के विषय में प्रसंग आता है आरण्यक है
Hmm.
जब वानप्रस्थ की अवस्था में व्यक्ति चला जाए तो उस अवस्था
Hmm.
में जाकर जिन ग्रंथों का अध्ययन करना है उसमें भी कुछ कर्मकांड परक बातें हैं वैसे तो और
Hmm.
और जब एकदम संन्यास ले लेता है यानी कि कर्मकांड से अब वो अलग हो गया कर्मकांड नहीं करता है तो संन्यास के लिए जो ग्रंथ है सन्यासी के लिए जो ग्रंथ है वो है उपनिषद so now across all of these mantra brahmana aranyaka and upanishad uh, हैं तो मंत्र ब्राह्मण आरण्यक उपनिषद चारों में you will find a word called व्योमन व्योमन तो
हम्म
क्या है कि हमारा जो वैदिक साहित्य है, द वैदिक लिटरेचर दैट वी हैव, वेरी
हाँ,
डिफरेंट नेम्स कम, लाइक मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देता हूँ। हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे वी टॉक ऑफ द चतुर्दश भुवनास। सो भुवः स्वः महः
हम्म
जनः तपः सत्यम, ये
हम्म
चार या सात लोक हैं ऊपर वाले, जहाँ पे आपकी ऊर्ध्वगति होती है तो आपको यहाँ पे रहने को, वास करने को मिलता है। So in the same way, there are seven other lokas, Talatal, and other Atal, Sutal, Talatal, and basically all the Nimna lokas that are there. So you have all these seven lokas towards the, going down as well. So that means 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Now, point is that many of these lokas, at least, find some way, some mention in the Vedas. Like for example, Vyoma. So
हम्म
Vyoma is Akasha, and
yes
Svargaloka is called as Dyuloka. Dyuloka is the word for Svargaloka. And then that's
हम्म
why maybe if you have studied history
हम्म
में people always keep talking about the similarities between the Greek gods and the Vedic gods, right? So Zeus,
right
people say, is Dyaus. Dyaus is what?
हम्म
The Adhipati of the Dyuloka, they will say. So that is
हम्म
how. And then Zeus has that thunderbolt thing, and Indra has Vajra. So that way they will find some similarities, right?
right
So,
right
so Vyoma Shabda also is there. So I'm not reciting for certain reasons, obviously, in a class right now, the
हम्म
Vedika mantra, but I can just share that with you later. So
हम्म
point is, Vyoman Shabda comes there, and apart from that, we also find that usage in popular Sanskrit stotras. So we say Ishvara Guru Atmeti मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणा मूर्तये नमः. So all these places you will have the word vyoma. Now, okay, I have
right
spent some time giving some background, uh, and now we should go to the shabda. So we were talking about nama japa, and see nama has come now. So
हम्म
okay, so let us go and look at naman. Naman is the shabda. This is word number, Shabda Sankhya 31, right? 35, yes, yes, 31. So can you just spell out these things, Sivakarji? Just
yes
read. Don't say the meaning, just read the sound.
yes just a minute. I think 31 is not in my book, but I'll just use the screen.
Yes, yes, I can
Uh,
I can increase the size if you want.
no, 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 it's fine. Naam, namni, namani, naam, namni, namani, namna, nambhyam, namabhi, namne, namabhyam, namabhya, namnah, namabhyam, namabhya, नामनः नामनोः नामनाम नामनी नाम नामनी और नाम नामनोः नामसु हे नाम हे नामनी हे नामानि.
Hmm. Okay, now we move on to 27th, or what, 20, yeah, 27th Abhyasa. So that is one thing. Now भवती के तुल्य इसके रूप चलेंगे, प्रक्षल, इट विल बी प्रक्षालयति, प्रक्षालयतः, प्रक्षालयति, एंड देन प्रक्षालयसि, प्रक्षालयथः, प्रक्षालयथ, प्रक्षालयामि, प्रक्षालयावः, प्रक्षालयामः. कृन्तति, कृन्ततः, कृन्तन्ति, कृन्तसि, कृन्तथः, कृन्तथ, कृन्तामि, कृन्तावः, कृन्तामः. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज कमिंग. यह और श्वः के अंतर के लिए यह स्मरण कर लो. क्या स्मरण करना है? ह्यो गते अनागतेनि श्वः. सो बीते हुए के लिए ह्यः, आगामी के लिए श्वः. दैट्स ऑल. नाउ श्रु धातु के विधिलिंग और लृट लकार के रूप स्मरण करो. So we have to go to 29. But before that, always keep. I hope you coming from Uttarakhand, I would assume you people always do some puja, as you should be able to remember these. We have these Sankalpa mantras, right?
Hmm.
Jambu Khande, Bharata Dvipe,
Yes.
Shvetavaraha Kalpe, and then we will say the Ritu also, Masa also we will say.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hmm. Hmm. So these are the ritus. I will just read these out and then we go to the dhatu. So Vasantah, Grishmah, Varsha, Sharad, Hemantah, Shishirah,
Hmm.
चैत्रः, वैशाखः, ज्येष्ठः, आषाढः, श्रावणः, भाद्रपदः, आश्विनः, कार्तिकः, मार्गशीर्षः, पौषः, माघः, फाल्गुनः. What masa is going on right now?
Magh.
Hmm. Good. And when will it end? Or after that, what will come?
Falgun.
Hmm. नो, नेवर से फाल्गुन. हमारे यहाँ पे फ नहीं है. फ उर्दू या फारसी में है.
Okay.
वी डोंट हैव फ, वी हैव फ. फाल्गुन. फ.
Falgun.
हाँ, फा हमारे यहाँ पे फा है. नेवर से फ. हम लोग वी विल नेवर से फलम, वी विल से फलम.
Phalam.
हाँ.
Right.
So in fact, the way sometimes people write in Urdu also, sometimes people when they want to write Urdu in Devanagari, what they will do is, so this is pha, right?
Pha. Yes.
And then they will put a dot here. So this
Hmm.
becomes fa. This is their
Right.
fa. So anyway, I will just erase so that I can write some other things also later. Uh, okay. So श्रु धातु के विधिलिंग और लृट के रूप स्मरण करो. दिस इज धातु नंबर 29. 29 is what? Shrunoti. Shrunutah, we have seen. Vidhiling, right? Huh. So Vidhiling is Shrunuyat, Shrunuyatam, Shrunuyuhu. क्या क्या सुने? स्तोत्राणि शृणुयुः. भक्ताः स्तोत्राणि शृणुयुः. सो भक्त लोग स्तोत्र सुने. शृणुयाः त्वं स्तोत्राणि शृणुयाः, तुम सुनो, या तुमको सुनना चाहिए, तुमको सुनना चाहिए. और यू शुड लिसन टू इट. एंड शृणुयातम is you both should listen to something, and so on. Shrinuyam. In fact, this comes in Vaidika mantras, this one. So we say Bhadram Karne Vishrunuyam Devaha. So what is that? हम ठीक ठीक अच्छे चीजों को कर्णों से, अपने करने भी, शृणुयाम देवाहा. सो हम अच्छे चीजों को अपने कर्णों से सुने. शृणुयाम. So see, this is coming. This so the moment you know the Shranoti dhatu, the Shru dhatu, you should be able to get the meaning of that particular mantra in the Veda. So that's one thing. And okay, I did not. I skipped the Lrit Lakara. हाँ. श्रोष्यसि, श्रोष्यथ, श्रोष्यतः, श्रोष्यन्ति, श्रोष्यसि, श्रोष्यथः, श्रोष्यः, श्रोष्यामि, श्रोष्यावः, श्रोष्यामः. Beautiful. All of those are the lip lakaras. Now we can go to the Abhyasa number 28. So we have done till this. Now खरीच वर्ग के एक दो तीन चार को एक हो जाता है. So वर्ग. So there is a particular varga. Say kavarg. Kavarg में you have ka kha ga gha. The first four. If any of those appear, for example, in at the end of the first pada, and after that beginning of the next pada, you have that particular varga's first or second varna, or sha, sh, and sa. Then what will you do? Then 1, 2, 3, 4 will be converted to just the first letter. So सद, त थ द. तीसरा है तवर्ग का. दिस इज थर्ड वन फ्रॉम तवर्ग. एंड कारह. Sorry, so what is happening here? Karah. Karah, I made a mistake again, like yesterday. This could be from any other varga. But even if it's Kavarga, this is Kavarga's first akshara. So then what is happening? Then this the is getting converted to its respective varga's first akshara. That is ta tha da. So ta. So it becomes sadkaraha. It will not be there. It will become satkaraha. And then tadparaha is tatparaha. And udsahaha is utsahaha. And sadputraha is satputraha. So this is one thing. The other is आत्मनेपदी धातु के लट के स्थान पर शानच आन हो जाता है रहा अर्थ वाले प्रयोगों में. शानच का आन. So we have seen for परस्मैपदी we have seen what? क्षत्रि प्रत्यय, right?
Right.
इन द सेम वे आत्मनेपदी के लिए कह रहा है यहाँ पे शानच प्रत्यय. तो ओनली शानच का कुछ भी बाकी नहीं रहेगा सिवाय आन के. ओनली आन विल रिमेन. So sometimes आन की जगह पे you may have मान. And then based on based on pullinga, strilinga and napumsakalinga, you will have to use either ramavat, ramavat or grihavat. Griham grihi, grihani, rama rame ramaha, and ramah ramo ramaha, like that. So vartate, we know vartate is te ete ante. This is atmanepadi. This becomes vartamanaha. यहाँ पे वर्तमानः ऐड हो गया. So यजते, again yaj dhatu. This is yajamanah. Vardhate is atmanepadi, vrid dhatu, mud dhatu, and all of these things. So what is happening? Vartamanah, vartamanau, vartamanaha. This will be the style in which you will apply the pullinga shabda rupa. Strilinga will be vartamana, vartamane, vartamanaha. And napumsakalinga will be वर्तमानम, वर्तमाने, वर्तमानानि, यजमानम, यजमाने, यजमानानि, like that. Or वर्धमानम, वर्धमाने, वर्धमानानि. That will it work. So, okay, this we have to now use here. Can you translate this? यस दिवाकर जी।
यस। हेलो।
यस यस।
यस प्लीज। कुछ कहा आपने?
हाँ हाँ, मैंने बोला ना कि आप इसका अनुवाद करें।
अच्छा। ओके।
हाँ।
वह मांग रहा है। तो सह स याचमनः अस्ति, अर्थात वह मांग रहा है। स मोदमानः आसीत्। मोदमान। I'm not recalling the meaning of this word मोद, मोदते और मोदमान। मोदते अर्थात प्रार्थना करना। इज इट, डज इट मीन प्रार्थना करना?
मोद मान है मुद धातु, मुद हम लोग कहते हैं ना, आमोद प्रमोद मोद। ऐसे वेदांत में इन
हम्म।
तीनों की अलग अलग व्याख्याएं होती हैं। दीज आर वेरी डिफरेंट। दीज ऑल ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स एक्चुअली। आई मीन, but I'm not going into that. But मोदमानः, what is मोदमानः then? मोद is मुदित होना, खुश होना, to be happy. So वह खुश क्या था? आसीत, आसीत इज विच लकारा? विच धातु, विच लकारा? अस धातु। एंड
अस धातु तो
एंड
यस आई
लंग
रिमेम्बर,
लकारा,
बट
आसीत आस्ताम आसन।
यस 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 यस
हाँ। सो
लंग।
एंड देन अहम वर्तमान आसम, इट इज मैं वर्तमान में मौजूद, आई वॉज प्रेजेंट। तो आसम इज आसम, आस्व आस्म फॉर अस धातु लंग लकारा, उत्तम पुरुष एक वचनम। ओके। सो
हम्म।
दिस वन कैन यू से?
व्योमिन, व्योमनी पक्षिणं, पक्षिणः सन्ति। व्योमनी पक्षिणः सन्ति।
आकाश में।
आकाश में पक्षी हैं, बहुत सारे पक्षी हैं। पक्षिणः, हाँ, आकाश में पक्षी हैं।
हम्म। दिस
इज
वन।
दैट राइट?
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
ओके।
दिस इज करेक्ट। दिस वन।
रजकः वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति। वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति अर्थात रजकः, रजकः मीन्स धोबी वस्त्र धो रहा है, बहुत सारे वस्त्र धो रहा है।
हम्म। हम्म। So that is correct. Now, okay, fine. So what is this?
भाषणं श्रोषयति। वह भाषण सुन रहा है।
No. So if
वह
you
भाषण को सुन रहा है.
no, so this is सुन रहा है तो it will be श्रूयमानः अस्ति. श्रोष्यति we have seen this.
श्रोष्यति, अच्छा, सुनता है.
No. That is to Shrinoti only. And then you can have just said, today what lakaras did we see for Shrudhatu? Vidiling and Lit lakara. So Lit lakara is
हम्म.
Shroshyati. So सुनेगा. वह भाषण
हम्म.
को सुनेगा. Hmm.
श्रोष्यति. Okay, yes, right.
Now, just
Hmm.
do this uh, sandhi. This one.
सदकर्म अर्थात सत्कर्म,
Hmm.
सत्पात्रम अर्थात सत्पात्रम, उत्कृष्ट अर्थात उत्कृष्ट,
हाँ, उत्साह. Okay.
उत्साह.
Okay. By the way, so we have completed 27th, and then you need to practice some of those prashnas. But what I would very strongly suggest you is let us also try to talk in Samskrita. We have now done what 27 abhyasas. This is good enough for at least try speaking in Samskrita at least maybe 5 to 10% of the time in the class. So we should start doing it from the next week positively. You should start speaking a lot in Samskrita. So uh, आगामी सप्ताहे वयं सर्वे संस्कृतभाषायां
वर्तते,
वार्तालापं कर्तुं
वाद, yes,
चेष्टयिष्यामः.
शक्नोति.
So that is one thing. और वार्तालापं करिष्यामः. करेंगे. वार्तालापं करिष्यामः. करेंगे. So we need to talk more in Sanskrit.
Okay.
हाँ. संस्कृते व्युत्पत्तिः भवितुं संस्कृतभाषायां वार्तालापस्य महती आवश्यकता वर्तते. So what did I say right now?
Can you repeat once again, please?
There is one concept that we will discuss next week, but still I am just
Okay.
seeing if you have developed some sense now by now.
Hmm.
So संस्कृते व्युत्पत्तिः भवितुं
Hmm. Hmm.
संस्कृतभाषायां वार्तालापस्य महती आवश्यकता वर्तते.
ओके. तो संस्कृत की उत्पत्ति को समझने के लिए ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है कि हम संस्कृत में वार्तालाप करें.
See, one last part is correct. The first part is a little bit off. Vyutpatti means Vyutpatti, not Utpatti. Vyutpatti,
ओके.
Vyut.
ओके.
Vyutpatti means uh, skill. So,
ओके.
संस्कृत में स्किल होने के लिए भवितुम तुमुन प्रत्यय we see tomorrow. So,
ओके.
संस्कृत में व्युत्पत्ति होने के लिए हमको संस्कृत
हम्म.
में बात करनी चाहिए. बात करने की महती की आवश्यकता है बहुत अधिक. So that is how we will just translate this. So anyway, we meet next week. With this I end the patha for today. येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः.